Hi there, now I'm making some maneuvering of the bikes, and so I'm going in action. Climb the bike like a hero. Ignition on. Keep your bike vertical as far as possible. Don't tilt it. Slowly move. The experts are telling use 2 fingers for your rear, for your front brake, 2 fingers only, and hold this like you're holding the phone, like that, here. Another they are telling use your 2 fingers on the clutch. I am not used to that. I tried best, but I lose my confidence. So best is what suits you. Just handle, you have not to grab it, keep your elbows out, keep those, whatever fingers you want. But do the right thing, that's the most important. Like say I am taking my bike little back so that I will have some room. I don't like to risk and fall. Give some throttle. This has very low torque, 22.2 only. So you have to give some torque. Then use all fingers, no problem. But don't get timid. Calm down, relax, relax, shoulder relax, power in the machine, never make your machine charging for power, a little tight L right here. Keep your leg down. Never make your bike start for power. There is no sign of losing control. No fear, no fear. Be valiant. Be brave. Friction John, friction John. Power, power. Give the power to the machine. Don't show mercy to the machine. Master! Master the monster. Master the monster. Slowly relax. Keep your bike vertical when you're stopping in the first gear. So you see here, what I have done, I'm very confident. I'm ready to die. But I will put power to the machine when it is tilting and turning. Clutch, friction zone. Keep giving power to the machine so that it will fight the gravity to pull it down. Give little throttle because this is a small power bike, 250cc, torque is only 22.2 nanometer at 7300 RPM. So you have to give some power and then control the power so that the bike has got the gyroscopic force which will not allow you to fall. That is the real meaning, that is the real skill. I am mastering that. You see how much practice I have done? That is the secret. First believe in yourself. You say I can do it. I will pay the price. Practice, practice and practice. Moto Titsu teaches this. Don't be timid and skirmish to fall. Protect your bike by giving some crash guard. But the best guard is your skill. If you learn the right skill, you will never fall. That's my opinion and that's my experience. Thank you, viewers.